TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut and welcome to the results video for this ukulele competition. Congratulations to the winner. I don't know who that is yet. Inside this little chest here I have a collection of names, everyone that left a comment on the video, and I'm going to give it a good shake and we're going to pick one at random. So good luck, here we go. The winner is, I'm going to do it blind. Autumn Holtz. Autumn Holtz. Congratulations. Will that focus? No, it won't. Autumn Holtz, well done. You win. Let's just check what comment you left on the video. Oh boy. I'd like to see if I can get it fixed if I were to win. My boyfriend and I have a favourite song that's sung with a ukulele, and he'll be visiting for our anniversary in a few weeks. It'd be nice to see what I can do. You know what? That's lovely. I'm glad you won. That's really sweet, especially seeing as you're giving it away as a gift. That's really lovely. Congratulations, Autumn. I'll be in touch with you privately via YouTube messaging or something. And I'll get it all sent out. Thank you to everybody that did enter. Unfortunately, I do only have one of these ukuleles to give away, so it is just one winner. But hey, I might do more stuff like this in the future because you guys seem to actually enjoy this and really liked the artwork I drew, so that was lovely and made me feel good too. Thanks very much for watching. Well done to Autumn, and I'll see you all next time on TipTut.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.